Question number 13, first part. In what does the point 5, 4 divide the line segment joining the points 2, 1 and 7, 6? Let A is equal to 2, 1 and B is equal to 7, 6, and point P is equal to 5, 4. P, A and B. A point is 2, 1, B point is 7, 6 and point P is 5, 4. And we find the ratio, that is M1 ratio M2. By section formula, that is equal to M1x2 plus M2x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1y2 plus M2y1 upon M1 plus M2. And P point is here 5, 4. 5, 4 is equal to M1 multiplied by 7 plus M2 multiplied by 2 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 multiplied by 6 plus M2 multiplied by 1 divided by M1 plus M2. First point is equal to 5. We find the ratio, that is 7M1 plus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2 is equal to 5. First point is 5. And cross multiplying, 7M1 plus 2M2 is equal to 5M1 plus 5M2. We are shifting 5M1 left side. 7M1 minus 5M1 is equal to 5M2 minus 2M2. That is 2M1 is equal to 3M2. M1 upon M2 is equal to 3 upon 2, which implies M1 ratio M2 is equal to 3 ratio 2. Answer. Given A is 2, 1, B is 7, 6, point P is equal to 5, 4. And let ratio is M1 ratio M2. And by section formula, M1 multiplied by 7 plus M2 multiplied by 2 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 multiplied by 6 plus M2 multiplied by 1 divided by M1 plus M2. First point is equal to 5, and we find the ratio 7M1 plus 2M2 upon M1 plus M2 equal to 5. Cross multiplying 5 into M1 plus M2, that is 5M1 plus 5M2. Shifting left side, 5M1, this will be negative, and 7M1 minus 5M1 is equal to 2M1, and 2M2 is shifting right side, then this will be negative, and 5m2 minus 2m2 is equal to 3m2. m1 upon m2 equal to 3 upon 2, which implies m1 ratio m2 is equal to 3 ratio 2 answer. And question number 13, second part. In what ratio does the point minus 4 comma v divide the line segment joining the points p 2 comma minus 2 and q minus 14 comma 6? Hence find the value of b. Point P is 2 comma minus 2 and point Q is minus 14 comma 6. Center point, that is minus 4 comma B, and ratio M1 ratio M2. By section formula. That is minus 4 comma B is equal to M1x2 minus 14M1 plus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2, and M1 multiplied by 6 is 6M1 plus M2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2. First point, we are comparing minus 4, minus 14M1 plus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2 is equal to minus 4. Cross multiplying, minus 14M1 plus 2M2 is equal to minus 4M1 minus 4M2. Minus 14M1 plus 4M1. We are shifting left side, and minus 2M2 shifting right side, minus 4M2, which implies minus 14M1 plus 4M1, that is equal to minus 10M1, and minus 2M2 minus 4M2 is equal to minus 6M2. Minus minus is cancelled, and M1 divided by M2 is equal to 6 divided by 10, that is 3 upon 5. M1 ratio M2 is equal to 3 ratio 5, and hence find the value of B. Hence find the value of B, that is B is equal to 6M1 minus 2M2 divided by M1 plus M2, which implies B is equal to 6 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 plus 5, and B is equal to 18 minus 10 divided by 8. B is equal to 8 upon 8, that is 1. So value of B is equal to 1. Answer. Given point P 2 minus 2 and point Q minus 14,6. M1 ratio M2 ratio, we find the ratio M1 ratio M2 and center point is minus 4 comma B. Using bisection formula, minus 4 comma B is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2 and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. We are comparing first point is equal to minus 4, that is minus 14 M1 plus 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2 equal to minus 4. Multiplying minus 4 into M1 plus M2, that is minus 4 M1 minus 4 M2. Shifting minus 4 M1 is left, this will be positive and minus 14 M1 plus 4 M1 is equal to 10 M1 and minus 2 M2 minus 4 M2 is equal to 6 M2. Minus minus is cancel and we find M1 divided by M2 is equal to 6 upon 10, that is 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So we find the ratio M1 ratio M2 is equal to 3:5. Hence find the value of B. B is equal to second point, that is 6 M1 minus 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2. M1 is 3 and M2 is 5. We are putting 6 into 3 minus 2 into 5 upon 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And 6 3s are 18 minus 5 2s are 10. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. 8 divides 8, that is equal to 1. The value of B, that is equal to 1. Answer. Thank you.